Welcome back to the Autopedia channel. Today we're comparing the safety features of two luxury SUVs, the Volvo XC90 and the iconic Range Rover. Both vehicles have impressive safety records, but which one stands out? Let's dive into the details. First, let's take a look at the Volvo XC90. Known for its commitment to safety, the XC90 has remained stable in frontal offset tests. Dummy readings indicate excellent protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. Volvo has demonstrated that this protection extends to occupants of different sizes and seating positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the driver dummy's critical body areas were well protected, and the rear passenger's chest protection was adequate. Side impact tests were also impressive, with the XC90 scoring maximum points for protecting all critical body areas. However, initial side pole tests revealed that the side curtain airbag did not fully deploy at the rear edge, potentially compromising protection for third-row passengers. Volvo has since addressed this issue with a modified trim panel, ensuring the airbag deploys as intended. The XC90's standard-fit autonomous emergency braking system performs exceptionally well, stopping the car before collision in all test scenarios. Now, let's turn to the Range Rover. In the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment remained stable, with good protection for the knees and femurs of both front occupants. However, Land Rover didn't provide evidence that this protection applies to occupants of varying sizes and seating positions, resulting in a penalty for this body region. The Range Rover's impact partner analysis revealed a tendency for aggressive impacts in frontal collisions, leading to another penalty. In the full-width rigid barrier test, rear passenger chest protection was marginal due to compression readings. Despite these drawbacks, side impact tests showed excellent protection for all critical areas, earning maximum points. Whiplash protection in the Range Rover is robust, with good ratings for both front and rear seats. The vehicle features an advanced e-call system to alert emergency services in a crash and a post-crash braking system to prevent secondary collisions. Both the Volvo XC90 and Range Rover have strong safety features, but they excel in different areas. The XC90's autonomous emergency braking and comprehensive airbag deployment updates make it a standout for city and family use. Meanwhile, the Range Rover offers excellent side impact protection and advanced post-crash features. Which SUV would you trust with your family's safety? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.